Right now, as you can see, the fry are tiny and they are sticking close to the surface. Okay, and the parents are there constantly around, making sure that nobody is attacking them. Now we need to understand one thing: these fry are in the community tank. We have a tank where there are around 8 polar parrots. So these are in that big tank, they are not in a separate breeding tank. So therefore the work of the parents really increases. They have to be vigilant 24/7. Now at this stage the fry are also super delicate and they rely a lot on their environment. If you look closely, you'll notice that their bodies are still transparent, and you can even see their yolk sacs, which will provide them nutrients for the first few days. And that's why it's a bit difficult to spot them. But if you see at the bottom of your screen, you can see the fry over there all clustered together.